For decades, medicine has been one of the last domains where human judgment was considered irreplaceable. But that assumption is now being challenged at the highest levels of technology. Elon Musk recently reignited global debate by stating that artificial intelligence could outperform human doctors in medical imaging, specifically MRI diagnostics. The statement spread rapidly across the tech and healthcare worlds, not because it was shocking, but because the data increasingly suggests he may not be wrong. Today, we are cutting through the hype, the fear, and the headlines to break down exactly what Musk said, why it matters, what the technology can actually do today, and where the real risks lie. This is not speculation. This is the current state of AI in healthcare. Musk's claim was not that AI will assist doctors, something already widely accepted. His argument was more direct. AI systems trained on massive medical imaging datasets will eventually outperform human radiologists in accuracy, speed, and consistency. This is a critical distinction. Radiology is a pattern recognition problem. MRIs, CT scans, and X-rays produce structured visual data. AI, particularly deep convolutional neural networks, excels at detecting subtle patterns that humans can miss, especially under fatigue or time pressure. Musk's position aligns with what researchers at Google DeepMind, Stanford Medicine, and MIT have already demonstrated in peer-reviewed studies. Let's talk specifics. Modern medical AI systems are trained on hundreds of thousands to millions of labeled images, far exceeding the lifetime exposure of a single radiologist. For example, Google Health's AI model for breast cancer screening showed up to a 9.4% reduction in false negatives compared to human radiologists in U.S. trials. In some MRI tumor detection tasks, AI systems have matched or exceeded expert accuracy with lower false positive rates. AI systems do not suffer from cognitive fatigue, shift bias, or attention drift. However, accuracy alone is not the full story. AI performs best in narrow, well-defined tasks, such as identifying specific lesions, tumors, or abnormalities under controlled conditions. It does not yet possess clinical reasoning, patient context awareness, or ethical judgment. This is where the debate becomes nuanced. Healthcare is drowning in data. Medical imaging alone generates petabytes of structured visual data every year. AI thrives in exactly this environment. From a systems perspective, AI offers faster triage and prioritization, consistent diagnostic baselines, reduced costs in overburdened healthcare systems, expanded access in underserved regions. In countries with severe radiologist shortages, AI is already being used as a first-pass diagnostic filter, flagging high-risk cases for immediate human review. This is not theoretical. It is operational today. Now let's address the concerns, and they are legitimate. AI models inherit biases from their training data. If datasets are skewed towards certain populations, diagnostic accuracy can degrade for others. There is also the issue of explainability. Many deep learning models operate as black boxes, producing conclusions without transparent reasoning, an unacceptable limitation in life-critical decisions. Liability remains unresolved. Who is responsible if an AI misses a diagnosis? The hospital? The software company? The physician who relied on it? And finally, there is over-reliance. AI should augment clinical judgment, not replace it wholesale, at least not yet. Despite alarming headlines, this is not about replacing doctors. It is about changing the role of doctors. Radiologists are likely to become AI supervisors, diagnostic validators, clinical decision integrators. AI handles pattern recognition at scale. Humans handle context, ethics, patient communication, and complex decision-making. For patients, this means faster diagnoses, fewer missed conditions, more consistent care standards. If implemented responsibly, this is a net positive. On narrow diagnostic tasks like MRI interpretation, AI will almost certainly surpass human performance in many areas. But healthcare is not just diagnosis. It is judgment, responsibility, and trust. The future is not AI versus doctors. It is AI-powered doctors versus outdated systems. And that future is arriving far faster than most people realize. If you want deeper breakdowns of where AI is headed next, and how it will impact your career, your health, and your world, subscribe to Next Wave Tech. We don't chase hype. We analyze reality.